welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time on this channel, kindly subscribe, leave a comment and a like. Let me know what you think about this video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your socks proxy on your PC. Okay, it's a very simple step. Kindly watch to the end so that you will not miss any part of this video. Okay, so first of all, you have to get an account. Okay, the PS5 proxy. Okay, so you just type in peerproxy.com. Yeah, okay, then you come to your login section. As you can see, I already have my login here. I just log in. Then you come to the peerproxy section. If you need the IP, I'll leave my number in the description. You just text me on WhatsApp and I'll get you sorted. It's very cheap as compared to the one on the website. Okay, if you want to buy it on the website, 200 IPs is going for $50, which is very expensive. And when you come to me, I can load as low as 10 IPs for you, as you can see over here. Yeah, so without wasting my time, let's get started. Okay, so when you log in on the interface like this, you are going to see Windows over here, Android, Mac OS, Linux and iOS. Depending on the operating system you are going to use, that's the one you are going to download. Okay, but since I'm using a Windows PC, I'll tap on this button which says download. Okay, so it will download. You wait for it to download, then you install. But since I already have the software, I don't need to download again. Okay, so I'll just head over to this PS5 proxy. This is how it looks like after downloading. So you just right click on it, or you just launch it. Okay, when you launch it, this is how you're going to see it. Tap on login. As you can see, my login credentials is already here because I've logged in before. Then you tap on login. Okay, so this is a crucial part. This way you're going to select the IP you want. You can select any country in the world at all. Okay, so whether being US, Canada, Japan, Brazil, any country at all. You can even enter countries that are not showing over here. Okay, so let's say for instance that I need Nigeria. I'll just type NG. As you can see, Nigeria will pop up here, and I'll get, when I tap on search, I'll get a whole lot of IPs in Nigeria. Okay, but since I'm not going for Nigeria, I'll just clear it, going for any state at all or any country at all. So let's go in for Florida. Okay, US Florida. So I'll right click on it, go to forward port to proxy, and I'll choose any of this one. So let's say I go in for the first one. When you tap on it, you see an interface like this. All you need to do is tap on start extraction. Okay, start extraction. I'll right click on it. Okay, after clicking on it, you see success over here. Immediately you see success, it means it has activated. Okay, so after activation, you cancel it, you move the software upper, you go to port forward list. Okay, after going to the port forward list, this is what you're going to see. This one, I was already using it before starting the video, so let's just ignore this one. Okay, yeah, so this is the one we are going to use, the first one, the very first one. Okay, so you go to the browser again, go to your manager, your extensions, and go to manage extensions. Then you head over to this place that says discover more extensions and themes on the Chrome Web Store. You tap on it, you search for Switch Omega. Okay, and you hit on enter. By hitting on enter, you see a bunch of proxy switches, but let's go in for this one. This is the best. So I'll tap on it and go to add to Chrome. Okay, then I'll add extension. I'll wait for it to finish installing. Okay, as you can see, I have it over here. It's here, and I'll click on it. When you click on it, you see the interface like this. Okay, so move back to your proxy manager, and you tap on copy the IP you just activated. You copy it, you go back to the website, you right click, and you paste. Okay, so after pasting, all you need to do is you connect. Okay, so you tap on this connect button. As you can see, my current city and country is Ghana, Accra, Ghana. We wait for it to load. Voila, we are done. Our IP is connected. Okay, so what you need to do is you go to this website, wara.net. Okay, then you hit on enter to check whether your IP is working or not. Okay, so as you can see, my IP is working. My IP is working. Yeah, this is my current IP address. Okay, it's my current IP address. So everything I'll do, it's considered, this particular country and state. Okay, so with this kind of IP, you can use it for your surveys, you can use it for your research, anything at all. Yeah, but bear in mind, this is for educational purpose, so I'll not be responsible for any illegal act you use it for. Okay, so that's all for today's video. Kindly subscribe. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Share it to your loved ones so that they will also benefit from it. Thank you.